From the gradebook, teachers can add assignments. To do so, click the Add button. Enter a name for the assignment. Next, enter an abbreviation for the assignment. This is how the assignments will be displayed in the gradebook. Teachers can mark an assignment as a draft to continue to modify it while limiting the availability to other users. Draft assignments will not appear in the portal, gradebook, assignments overview, curriculum copier, curriculum library, and other curriculum in the planner and cannot be scored. Draft assignments will appear in the planner with a shaded background. Determine the sections that will use this assignment. To add a section, select the Add/Remove button. From this screen, the teacher is able to add sections. At the top, teachers can filter by term, course, and period. Click OK when finished. When the portal checkbox is marked, the assignments will appear in Campus Student. Next, indicate the dates in which the assignment will be assigned and when it is due. The GB sequence field determines the order in which assignments appear in the gradebook if the sequence sort option is selected. If student groups have been created with the Student Groups tool, teachers can assign this work to a specific student group. From the category dropdown, determine the category where this assignment will align. All categories shared by the selected sections will display. If this assignment should count towards in-progress grade calculations, leave the Include in Grade Calculation checkbox selected. Next, select a standard or grading task to which this assignment should align. All grading tasks and standards shared by the selected sections will display. Multiple standards and grading tasks can be selected if necessary. Each is scored separately. Next, determine the scoring type for this assignment. For assignments aligned to grading tasks, options include points or marks. Points allow teachers to score assignments based on a set number of points. Marks allows teachers to score assignments using a set of assignment marks. These can be created by clicking the Assignment Marks link under the gradebook setup. Teachers have the rubric scoring type for assignments that are aligned to standards. Rubrics are assigned to each standard at the district level. Teachers can remove a grading alignment by clicking the appropriate X. If all grading tasks and standards are removed, the assignments will not be aligned to the gradebook. For both points and marks, teachers must indicate the total number of points students can earn on the assignment. In addition, teachers can enter a multiplier for the assignment. An assignment with a multiplier of 2 will have twice the weight towards the final grade than those with a multiplier of 1. Teachers can also delete, copy, or score the assignment by clicking the appropriate button at the bottom of the window. This video demonstrated how to create an assignment for a course section.